Hello customers, I'm Sean. This season is all about love and cheer. You are an essential part of our journey. Your partnership has been a constant source of inspiration. May the melody and magic of Christmas fill your life with happiness and success. Merry Christmas!
To our valued customer, Merry Christmas! This is a season of giving, sharing, and spreading love, so we want to express how much you are important to us. Thanks for being with us in every step of the way. During this holiday, I wish you filled with love, you work with a great achievement, and have a wonderful time.
Merry Christmas! We are sending our best wishes to you. You are the most important part of our business story, and without you, our journey would be the same. Thanks for choosing us, and wish you day is happy and pretty. Happy New Year!
Dear customers, this is Caroline from SHENYANG LANYING. Thank you for your trust in our company, and we wish you Merry Christmas. Chaque client, voici Caroline vient de SHENYANG LANYING. Merci pour votre confiance en notre société. Joyeux Noël!
Dear friends, our hearts are brimming with gratitude for having you on our side throughout the year. It's an honor to serve you. Your trust and support have truly been invaluable. May this Christmas fill your heart with warmth and your business with prosperity. Wish you full of joy and success.
Hello everyone, this is Nancy from SHENYANG LANYING. Wishing you a joyful Christmas and prosperous New Year, filled with success, good health, and happiness. May the coming year bring new opportunities and achievements. Fill your cup of cheer with whatever you want.
Dear client, Merry Christmas. Thanks for your support. You will always be more than just a client to us. This year, we witnessed remarkable collaborations, and it's all thanks to you. In this special day, wish you a cozy holiday and a super successful New Year.